I'm Mew. Welcome to Roldan World. If you are new to this channel, do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Grave abuse of discretion. Grave abuse of discretion has been defined as a capricious or whimsical exercise of judgment that is patent and gross as to amount to an evasion of positive duty or a virtual refusal to perform a duty enjoined by law.
Hearsay evidence. Hearsay evidence is defined as evidence not of what the witness knows himself but of what he has heard from others. The hearsay rule bars the testimony of a witness who merely recites what someone else has told him, whether orally or in writing.
HECKLER'S veto. HECKLER'S veto is a form of curtailment of one's freedom of expression. In the free speech context, a heckler's veto is either of two situations in which a person who disagrees with a speaker's message is able to unilaterally trigger events that result in the speaker being silenced.
Hierarchy of rights. Under the doctrine of hierarchy of rights, even if the three areas are protected by the Constitution, nonetheless, not all rights are created equal. Under this doctrine, property rights rank lower than civil liberties and political freedoms.
Inquiries in aid of legislation. The phrase inquiries in aid of legislation refers to inquiries to aid the enactment of laws, inquiries to aid in overseeing the implementation of laws, and even inquiries to expose corruption, inefficiency or waste in executive departments.
Inverse condemnation. A taking of property by inverse condemnation occurs when the government acquires or appropriates private property without following eminent domain procedures and without paying just compensation.
Judicial power. Judicial power includes the duty of the courts of justice to settle actual controversies involving rights which are legally demandable and enforceable, and to determine whether or not there has been a grave abuse of discretion amounting to lack or excessive jurisdiction on the part of any branch or instrumentality of the government.
Use post liminium. When a foreign power occupies a state and exercises the powers of government, the political laws of the said state are deemed automatically suspended, but the former government automatically comes to life and will be enforced and in effect again upon the re-establishment of the former government.
Justiciable controversy. A justiciable controversy is a definite and concrete dispute touching on the legal relations of parties having adverse legal interests, which may be resolved by a court of law through the application of a law.
Legal standing or locus standi. Legal standing or locus standi has been defined as a personal and substantial interest in the case such that the party has sustained or will sustain direct injury as a result of the governmental act that is being challenged.